Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Data Structure Fundamentals 1, MET 1. So the first question is, MET 1 answer 9, okay. So the first question is, what is the meaning of lexicographically smallest and largest string, right? So lexicographically smallest string is a string that would come first if we are arranging all the provided strings in alphabetical orders. So let's say, for example, there are two strings given, uh, like ABCD and ABCF. Okay, so ABCD would come first, right? Like if it would be lexicographically smaller than ABCD, ABCF, because ABCD is like D comes first, right, before F, and ABC are common. So we neglect all the common elements. So like when we arrange, we check which is the first character that differs, and then we arrange them in that way. So the smaller elements in alphabetical order, the element that comes first in alphabetical order would be considered as a small element, and so on. So like A is smaller than Z, and M is smaller than Z also, but M is greater than A because it comes after A and it comes before Z. So if we arrange all the strings, all the provided strings in an alphabetical order, then the string that comes first would be the smallest uh, lex, uh, lexicographically smallest string, and the string that comes at the last would be the lexicographically largest string. The second question is, how to calculate the memory size occupied by an array without the size of, okay, so the size of function. So what I would do first is uh, take the memory address of the last element, and I would subtract the memory address of the first element. So let's say the memory address of first element would be 500, and the memory address of the last element, that would be let's say 500 and 520, right? So 520 minus 500, that would give me 20. Then I would add the uh, add in another variable, that would be like the starting index of the second first element, right? The element 1, right? The first second element would be the element 1, 0 and then 1. So let's say it is 504. So 504 minus 500, the starting index, the memory address of the first element, right? The zeroth element, the memory address of the second element minus memory address of the first element. So array of 1 minus like the memory address of array of 1th element, and the memory address of array of 0 element. So that would give me the difference between those two, and I would add that inside the 20, right? So let's say it's 4, then the total string would be 24. The size of the memory occupied by my array would be 24, right? And there can be another way. If I know how many elements I'm storing, then all I need to do is uh, like array of 1 minus the memory address of array of 1 minus the memory address of array of 0, right? So that would be that would give me the difference of one element, and then I multiply it by the number of elements then that I am storing. So that would give me the size of my array, right? uh, so that is it, I guess. Thank you.